Alright boys, what is good? So we got a second live trade in a row. Really treating you boys here. I mean, if you like live trades, if you don't like them, then God, you must be hating me right now. But I know a lot of you do enjoy them. And what we got here today is a 100k challenge. I've just started a new one. I do have another 50k challenge, but it's good for the video if I just do this, you feel me? Back with your 100k, this time on Alpha Capital. It's a firm that I personally trust based on reviews of other people. And yeah, what we have right here is a supply setup on Germany 30. I need to give up on even attempting that. And I'll quickly bring over TradingView since it looks like it's not about to give entry there. So what we have here is our supply zone, very large push down right here, breaking the low to the left, somewhat confirming direction, and we are pretty bearish like in this move. Overall we're bullish, but I think we could catch a nice move going bearish, maybe filling in some gaps. We had our level of liquidity right here, of course, broke the low that made it, and we are now looking to potentially take the break of candle on this because this could easily shoot down very far, and that would actually be quite a nice entry. That is what I am waiting for. Break of candle has not quite yet happened, looking like that might be it. And I've entered. Now, I am risking 1% on this. I know my risk management trading plan is to risk 0.5% until I am 2% up on the account, but as this is the first trade, I'm going to risk 1% because I'm very confident in my trading. If this trade is to lose, then I'll definitely risk 0.5%. If this trade is to win, then I'll continue risking 1%. This is just because I'm pretty confident in how I trade, and I quite like the setup. So this will probably be a TP1 at this low. What risk to reward would this be? It'd be a 1 to 4 at this low, and then TP2 maybe down to fill in this gap down here. Can you see it? Yeah, maybe just to fill in. Jeez, man, how far do I have to go? To fill in this gap down here. That could be a potential TP. We shall see. We'll see how it's moving. We'll see if just like what else comes up. It's looking pretty nice. Good rejection, good entry. There's not much to complain about on this one. And market conditions are absolutely fantastic right now. But let's hope that Germany 30 can continue that trend. But as always, if you are interested in joining the Discord, signals are sent there with RD. He's the creator of the strategy. You can't really get someone better to teach you than him, and basically all his information is in this Discord. Well, all the more advanced information. Once again, this setup was sent, said where he entered. There's webinars, in-depth market reviews, pair backtest results, so you can see literally every trade that has been taken over the past few years on all these pairs. Daily forecasts, these are very helpful if you're trying to just figure out trend at the start of each day. These happen every day, and yeah, it helped me, and I'm sure it can help a lot of you become profitable. But yeah, now we basically just wait till TP or stop loss, and maybe just adjust to take profit based on how it's moving. So yeah, see you boys in a second. Peace. All right, boys, I'm back, and I'm literally just going to close the trade here. This is the daily gap fill. If I go onto the daily time frame, we are right here, and yeah, we've just perfectly filled that in. Fucking beautiful. Obviously, we could react quite heavily from that, so it's not worth the risk when we've already locked in. What was that, like 4.4% nearly? 4.4%, first trade on the account, fantastic, just amazing, zero complaints. That is just really nice, that's really good. I guess this will just be a really short one because there's not really much else to say. The trade was absolutely beautiful. We can get a clear review of it right here on TradingView. Literally, liquidity created, hit into the supply zone, kind of made a little triple tap right here, filled in the gap within, what, 6 candles. I didn't expect this to hit on the same day, to be honest. But I mean, I'm not surprised. Like, you can kind of see how it moves. But yeah, really nice, bro. The last, I think, 7 trades, like 6 of them have won. The Discord is going fucking crazy, bro. The Discord is going absolutely insane. I want to quickly show you how ridiculous this is. Literally, I'm not sure if you can see. So many people are passing challenges right now, passing phases. It is just ridiculous. Like, payouts after payouts after passing challenge after passing challenge. It is insane. People are passing challenges all the time, but not like this, I'll be honest. This is a new level. This is the best the markets have ever been. If you're going to join the Discord ever, then I'd recommend joining it now. It is just trade after trade after trade right now. It is actually insane. But yeah, this could definitely go on to fill in the 30-minute gap, but I'm not risking it considering that was a 1% trade on the challenge on the first trade, and it's very likely that this next trade, if it wins, will pass this challenge anyway. Well, pass the phase 1, sorry. It's just 8% on the phase 1, 5% on the phase 2. So if I get one more trade, then it's likely that we'll pass it. And yeah, man, dubs in the chat. I've just figured out that you need a minimum trading days of 30 on the funded account that I was on that is ready for a payout. So there's still hope that I get that payout. We'll see. It's definitely not a guarantee, but it's possible. But yeah, boys, fucking amazing week, amazing last like 2-3 weeks. Just win after win. Markets are amazing. I have nothing else to say. I'll see you boys next week. And yeah, peace.